Hello everyone, welcome to another video. For those who are new to this channel, my name is Fran and I make craft videos for the Sunnybank Trust every week. The Sunnybank Trust is a charity for people with learning disabilities and autism. And this week's theme is Burns Night. Does anyone know who Robert Burns is? Robert Burns was a Scottish poet. So today we're going to be making some crafted kilts to celebrate. Let's get started. For this activity you will need some liquid glue and some scissors, some string or a pipe cleaner. White or black colours would be best. Some red card and some coloured pencils. Red, green and black would be best. We've got another template this week, so find the link in the caption below. If you're unable to print your template, you could always trace your laptop screen using your laptop, some paper and a pencil. Here's how. Turn your brightness up to 100%. Place your paper on top of your laptop screen. Trace around the outline of the shapes with your pencil. You might find it a little bit difficult to trace the tartan pattern on your screen. Try your best to get the lines and then you can neaten it up later with a ruler. We're going to be doing some colouring in now. Colour in the shape on the left hand side of your paper. Black. Colour in the tartan pattern with your red and green pencils any way you like. Using your scissors, cut out both shapes from your template. Don't forget to recycle. Turn over your black shape to the other side. Apply glue to the back. Stick this on to the middle of your tartan square. Apply glue to the back of a pipe cleaner or some string. You won't need much, about 10 centimeters of pipe cleaner or string. Bend this into a semicircle and attach it to the top of your kilt and connecting it to the black shape. Place your piece to one side for the moment. Take out your red card. It's okay if it's scrap red card, we only need a little bit of it. Cut a strip down the long end of your card. Cut off a section of your strip about 5 centimeters long. It doesn't have to be exact. Now we're going to turn this into a little tassel by cutting into our shape a few times without going up to the edge. We're going to do this step again, cut about 5 centimeters off and then create a little tassel by cutting in without going directly through. We're going to do one final strip now. Make another tassel. You can keep that waste for future projects. Take back your tartan shape. Now we're going to add on the tassels. Apply glue to each tassel and stick it on to your black shape. It would be good to leave a gap in between each tassel. Take out a pipe cleaner or some string. We don't need much of it. Apply a bit of glue to the string or the pipe cleaner. Attach it to one of your tassels and link it to the pipe cleaner at the top. That's a semicircle. You can chop this down if you need to make it match. And now we're going to be doing the same with the other tassels. Apply glue to your pipe cleaner and attach your tassel to the top pipe cleaner. And now let's do the last tassel. Apply glue Make sure you apply a generous amount of glue and attach this to your last tassel, linking it to the top pipe cleaner. That's great. Now we need to wait for it to dry and we're done. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make a kilt today. Email us at info@sunnybanktrust.org to share your photos from today's craft.